In this video, we'll add a custom valve to the NotilusPiping library inside Rhino 3D. Here is the ball valve model we want to save and reuse. First, select every part that makes up the valve, so the whole assembly is highlighted. Now run Rhino's block command and pick a base point. This combines all the selected parts into a single block. In the block definition properties window, give it a clear name, valve_demo, and click OK. With the block ready, type NP Library Manager in the command line to open the NotilusPiping Library Manager. From the list of categories, choose Valve. This opens the Valve Library window. On the left, under Add New, fill in the valve's details. Start with the name, Demo Valve, and a model code. Set the type to ball valve. Choose the connection type, threaded BSPP, and set the body material to stainless steel. Then add the pipe dimension, DN40, plus the seat and spindle materials. Click Select Valve on Pipe, pick the valve in the model, and draw a direction line to define its flow axis. Enter the weight, then click Add. The valve is now saved into your library. To test it, run NP Draw Pipe. In the pipe layer window, set the system, the dimension DN40, and the material, then draw the pipe run in the viewport. With the pipe in place, run NP Add Valve and select the pipe. The window lists every valve that fits this DN40 line. Scroll to your new demo valve, click Add, and it drops straight onto the pipe. Rotate it to the angle you need, and you're done.